dripping. Right here, honey dripping.
Yeah. Wow. Do they have any brood going? We definitely need to get them a box.
Look at this stuff. Oh, they didn't like that.
Move slowly. Move slowly. Ow. Ow.
Back up.
Ow.
I found the queen.
Ow.
I found the queen. She's right there. You okay?
Uh-huh. Stung me in the belly.
You want to come see the queen?
I probably shouldn't get that close with the pheromones on me. I don't know. Careful.
Give me the phone. She's right there.
Yep.
Look at that pretty girl. Big long torso.
Yep.
Eddie said she's gonna look like a wasper. Look at all that. Up top, that's capped honey, I think. See?
Yeah.
That's capped honey. See what they did to the foundation in the middle and the bottom? They removed it. Or they used it somewhere else.
Interesting.
This is super cool. I think they're covering the queen up.
Yeah, protecting her. Careful putting it back down in there. Don't squish anybody.
And a little smoke. The alarm pheromones in the air, I bet. I'm going to walk away from them over towards you. And I'm going to point to where you got stung. I don't know what it should look like if she's laying brood. She has to have laid brood, allegedly.
Ooh, you missed him up there. Careful. Oh, shit. Dragonfly.
Where?
Flying around you.
I don't know if that's cat brood or what.
It might be. It's just so new and clean.
I guess I see wet cells that...
We'll call Eddie and send some pictures and see what they say.
You got good pictures?
Yeah, I'm getting pictures and video. Make sure you put it back in there the way you took it out.
It was this way, right?
I think so. I don't know, you just turned it in your hands.
That's capped honey up top.
It's probably brood at the bottom and honey at the top.
Yeah.
We got to get him another box.
It's on its way. I ordered it.
Cool. Is it like...
They hit my hand like 5 times. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah. We probably should leave them alone. You gonna check all the frames?
No, just one more.
It doesn't look like they've come all the way across. It looks like they're working the one side.
That's cool. I'm seeing one like close up a comb. Yeah. That looks like honey on the bottom to me, and either nectar or brood on the bottom.
Oh, hang on, let me zoom back out. Okay.
But we got bees covering all these frames. Well, the last two, they aren't on the last 2 frames.
Okay.
So it might be perfect timing.
To get a box on them.
To get another box on.
They starting to work on it.
Yeah, they're like welding the edges. That's cool.
And there.
And their drawn out comb. That's beautiful. They're working so good. How long have they been here? A week?
Yeah, but how long were they in the box at work before you brought them home? 2 weeks?
Yeah, something like that.
You want the brush to brush them over?
No, I get them. There's some pink and that's mold. say? Fire. 2 ways you clean things in the Bible. Water and fire.
Ooh-wee.
Did you see the queen?
Yes, I think I got her on video.
I saw her.
Need to go put some baking soda on my sting.
Okay. Oh, I think it looks good.
Yeah, I do too.
Great.
I'm very impressed. Had you looked at them since you put them in
No.
there after you caught the swarm?
No, this is the first time. Or well, I looked at them and they had like half a frame drawn out. Or well, like halfway drawn out. It was on the way to being drawn out. It wasn't solid across. And now they've got 6 out of the 8 frames. Well, 5 out of the 8 are drawn out and they've got stuff in them. They're working them.
Yeah.
And the 6th one is being drawn out. Half of it's already drawn out. The other half's being drawn out right now. And then they got 2 frames that they're just like, it's like they're welding the edges or something.
Yep.
That's what it looks like to me.
Bringing it together. Got our extra stuff on the way so we can get some more on them hopefully soon.